Hi, I'm Dr. Sands, owner of Healing Paws Veterinary Care. Today I'm here to talk to you about something I'm very passionate about, and that's dental care for your puppy. Dental disease is in every one of our dogs by the time they're age 4, and we can make a difference in slowing the progression of that disease. And studies show us that healthy teeth and gums actually allow our dogs to live longer, and that's pretty exciting when you're just now starting their lives as a puppy. So, what can you do at home to reduce dental disease? It's the same thing that you do for yourself. So, the best thing that we can do to reduce dental disease in our puppies is to brush their teeth. Now, we do not brush their teeth with human toothpaste. We can't swallow our toothpaste. You can't tell your dog to swish and spit. So, no human toothpaste. What you actually want to use is a pet specific enzymatic, make sure it's enzymatic, toothpaste. We carry several flavors here, but the enzymatic toothpaste is important because it gets into the mouth and it scrubs. Think kind of like those scrubbing bubbles commercials. None of us can really sit and brush our dog's teeth on all the surfaces for 2 to 3 minutes at a time. Enzymatic toothpaste does that work and actually breaks down plaque and scrubs away bacteria as long as you get it in there. So you want to use enzymatic toothpaste. I suggest a soft-headed toothbrush, a washcloth on your finger, or sometimes even a dental toy. In the very beginning, the most important thing that you can get your puppy to do is get used to the taste of the toothpaste. So putting a small amount on your finger and letting them just lick it off with rewards and pets is a great first step. We have a video that can show you how as well. And then you want to rub it on the outside surfaces where the tooth meets the gum. You don't need to open their mouth and scrub in there. You just need to go around the outside surfaces. Once they're used to doing that, and it can take days or weeks, you can put the washcloth on your finger to do that because the washcloth has some scrubbing effect. Finally, you can move towards a toothbrush. You want to be gentle. You get that toothbrush in, and again, the outside surfaces. I do want you to remember that your puppy has teeth as far back as the behind their eye, and that often is not visible. So you do want to get your finger in there and realize where those are. It's best to brush your puppy's teeth every day. Studies have shown us that 3 times a week makes a difference. If you're like me, remembering something 3 times a week is a lot harder than remembering it every day. So I have 2 suggestions for you. The first suggestion is set a reminder in your phone or on your Alexa to brush your dog's teeth. My dogs actually know the sound of the Alexa timer and go running to the kitchen. The second suggestion, if you happen to be a busy parent, what parent isn't busy? But if you happen to be a busy parent, odds are that brushing your kids' teeth is part of your routine and sometimes not a lot of fun to get them to do. I've had a lot of moms tell me they've had great success by making brushing their dog or cat's teeth part of the kid brushing routine. The kids get excited about brushing the puppy's teeth and you remember, and then your kids brush their teeth because the puppy is too. So those are 2 suggestions that I have. This is the best thing you can do. And if you start training your puppy now, they will let you do it as an adult. And you can actually make them live longer simply by brushing their teeth. Powder. There are some different powders on the market. Here at Healing Paws, we recommend Perio Support Powder. And Perio Support is a granular powder that's actually safe in most of our hypoallergenic dogs as well. It's a powder that you put on the food and it's granular, so it does some polishing, kind of gets that slime that builds up on your teeth away. And it has immune support. It has zinc and taurine and cranberry, and it has probiotics. It has good bacteria for the mouth. So this can really reduce bacteria. And I'm going to write slime. Water additives are everywhere, and in my experience, only a few of them really work. If you're interested in water additives, I would ask your doctor for the recommendation of which one, but I do need you to be very cautious that they won't affect a cat in your household. Some cats, most cats, are really picky drinkers. And I know you have a puppy, but if you have cats, I want you to know that we need your cats to have fresh water available and we need them to drink. So if you are going to use a water additive, make sure that you offer water without the additive and water with. We don't want to reduce drinking in the cats in our household. If you only have a puppy, again, it's not the best because it doesn't do any scrubbing, but it does reduce bacteria. So ask your doctor if the water additive is right. Out of these three, I really prefer my puppy owners focus on brushing because it does the best job. And if you can do that, you often don't even need the other products. Finally, the fun things: treats, food, and toys. So when you're looking for a dental treat or a dental food, it's not just about hard food or hard milk biscuits. That's a common misconception, a wives' tale, that if our pets eat something hard, it'll just knock the plaque away. Think about it like an apple a day makes the doctor go away. You still have to go to the dentist if you eat apples. So what we want to do is we want to look for treats that are actually designed not to shatter. And for me, a budget-friendly and really effective option is actually a food called TD. And TD is a big kibble that when it's formulated, it's made with cross fibers so they hatch and they don't break. My cat eats Dental Diet. He sits there forever chewing, which is really unusual for him and for a cat. But those cross fibers, the tooth goes down through them and it scrubs. So they actually have to pick that kibble up several times, bite, bite, scrub, scrub, and that brushes their teeth. So for me, I actually like to use the dental food as a treat. There are some dental chews out there. Please be careful that they're safe and that they're not high calorie. One that I like to tell clients about is Busy Bones. Busy Bones are delicious, according to our dog friends, but they can actually have over 600 calories a piece. And for many of our dogs, 600 calories is all they need, period, in a day. So I'm going to say avoid Busy Bones. There are two effective dental chews, Greenies and Veggie Dents, CET Veggie Dents. Oh, there are three. Milk Bones has a brushing chew. Milk Bones brushing chew. So not just the regular milk bone. With each of those, you're going to ask your doctor what's best for your puppy, but please remember the puppies cannot have chews until they're 6 months of age. No chews before 6 months because their little baby teeth are very fragile and the dental chew can snap one of them off, opening the blood vessel to the world. So no chews until 6 months of age. When you're ready, Milk Bones brushing chews, Greenies, or Veggie Dents. Our puppies with more sensitive stomachs, Greenies can be hard to digest, so you do want to be cautious with that and ask your doctor their recommendation. Food. I already told you how that food works with cross hatches. Again, this is a prescription level food that's designed to keep the teeth healthy. There's TD, Purina has DH Dental Health that do the scrubbing, but maybe you're not ready for a prescription food. We've talked in other videos about choosing a food for our puppy that's well balanced. The dental diets are balanced. Something you could do that's not prescription level but is an amazing product is called Healthy Advantage Oral Plus. And Healthy Advantage comes in a puppy formula. And Healthy Advantage was made by Hill Science Diet when they said, what are our most common diseases in dogs and cats? Urinary issues, joint issues, coat issues, digestive issues, and dental issues. And they said, let's make sure this food is formulated to take care of all of those. So by feeding your puppy a food like Healthy Advantage Puppy, you can actually really be addressing multiple systems, including dental health, and help them live longer, happier lives. For me, it's hard to remember to brush regularly, so I make sure besides brushing, I also feed a food that helps scrub my dog's teeth. That way, if I do forget to brush, I've got them covered in at least some manner without having to think about it. Last but not least, toys. The Kong company has wonderful teething toys for our puppies. And as they teeth between age 4 and 6 months of age, their gums can get really swollen and sore. The teething toys by Kong, you can actually put in the freezer, just like you would with a human teething ring, and it can really give them some relief as they chew on that, and they're safe. Anytime you look for a toy, you want to make sure that they are safe and they don't get shards. The company Nylabone has some safe options, but a lot of Nylabones actually, the puppy can get really hard little spikies on them, and that can be dangerous for them. So I do recommend sticking with the Kong line. They have so many great options. So when you're deciding for a chew, a treat, or a toy, I want you to remember this website, www.vohc.org. Veterinary Oral Health Council, www.vohc.org. They have great information about dental care, and they also have a list for you of safe chews and toys. I hope this has helped you choose a way to take care of your puppy's teeth at home. Think of it as important as brushing your own teeth every day, and you can make your puppy live a longer, healthier life. I'm Dr. Tracy Sands. Enjoy your puppy.